As a Modo artist, maybe the thought of learning Blender fills you with dread. Another huge and complex application to learn, with unfamiliar workflows and the frustration of not being able to work the way you're used to. If that's the case, then this training will change your mind. Modo-like workflows are totally possible in Blender, and this training will show you how. From fall-offs to action centers, from the work plane to replicators, most of Modo's key features and workflows can be leveraged in Blender, with only a few small differences. What sets this training apart is that it's created by a Modo artist who understands what features other Modo artists will be looking for, and so the training will show you how to recreate those specific workflows with a minimum of pain and hassle. With 22 videos in total, including a complete project in step-by-step form, as well as a series of videos covering many foundational concepts, this training is a comprehensive introduction to Blender that will allow Modo artists to learn their way around quickly and painlessly. So take the guesswork out of Blender and join me in Blender for Modo Artists, the Essential Survival Guide.